Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GFY token. Now the GFY token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the GFY token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. It says deposits are open now. It got listed December 1st at 5 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GFY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, this token is most likely very popular because I was on pinksale.finance last night and I saw in the Launchpad list section a BNB version of this token and a token called Baby GFY. So once, a token becomes very popular, there's all sorts of spin-offs of that token, and, they make different blockchain versions like the BNB version, etc. So, it's safe to assume that people did like this project, and that's why there are spin-off tokens. So it says it's not just a meme, it's a movement. Now their Twitter just joined in November 2023. They have 2,532 followers. And it says, together, united by a common purpose, we can challenge the status quo and demand change. Embrace your unique stories, harness your collective voices, rise above the injustices. So it says they welcome freedom of speech on their webpage or on their socials as well. So if you want to go over to @MEXC_official, that's where they have the listing announcement, and you can click on details on their listing announcement page for the GFI token. And once you click on details, that will take you over to a page that's got all the links. It's basically like a link tree. And it has a link to their Telegram, it has a link to their Twitter, their contract address, basically their Etherscan, and their web page is all listed on there. And so their Etherscan here, we'll open that up, you can see how many holders they have so far. So right now they have 4,683 holders, so pretty popular. 9 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 690 billion GFY tokens. So if you want to find this token on Etherscan, you would just search GFY. You can find it that way. Now, their Telegram, 2,018 subscribers so far, so they're doing pretty well on there. They do have a DEX tools chart that you could find in their link tree and on their webpage. Now, their webpage here, it says, last crypto cycle, we were pure and optimistic, and now we say good morning and good night. This cycle, we are sick, and we say ticker symbol GFY. So this is not a meme, this is a movement, this is very much just, a meme coin. I would say little to no utility on this token here. So it does say contract renounced. We could actually check here on DEX Tools the security of this token in a second. So it says contract renounced, LP burned, and no taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you could basically fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the GFY token using the contract address that you could find on their Etherscan or their webpage. And you probably won't have to worry too much about slippage because there is 0% taxes, it says, on buys and sells. There is going to be gas fees, though, and there could be failed transactions that result in more gas fees, so just be aware of that. That's why I personally prefer Mexc Global, but anybody is welcome to do whatever they want because I am not a financial advisor, and this is not advice, so do whatever you want. Yeah, so the contract address is right on their page, right beside their Twitter, Telegram, and DEX Tools link. It's real easy to find on their webpage. So you might be able to just get this off DEX Tools as well. And yeah, basically I just reviewed their page, and there's little to no information on there at all about utilities or anything. So this is very much just a meme token. So the thing about meme tokens then, if it's only based off the Memecoin, then obviously you want at least some good security. So let's go over to their DEX Tools chart here. It says their total market cap right now is $18.24 million. So pretty good market cap size there. 24-hour trading volume, $19.69 million. Total supply has 682 billion tokens in Uniswap pool. And liquidity is $526,000. Now it's got a DEX score of 86 out of 99. It does have 7 alerts, it says here, on their audit. So just be aware of this here. You don't want to get rugged or anything. It's got a 95.5% community trust score out of 575 votes. But let's check out the audits here. So they have audits by Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, and Happy Security. So there's got some good things. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens. But then on 3 of the audits, Quick Intel, GoPlus, and Happy Security, it says tax is modifiable. Token Sniffer says no. I don't know why they have conflicting audits all the time on DEX Tools. But they, 3 of them say that tax is modifiable, but it's, you don't know how much they can modify the taxes. If they can modify them up to 100%, then that can be very sketchy. And then here's the second sketchy part, is it says Quick Intel, GoPlus Security, and Happy Security say that they can blacklist users. So if you can blacklist users from selling the token and also modify the taxes up to 100%, so nobody can sell without putting slippage up to 100%, then that can be real sketchy. Also, GoPlus Security and Happy Security says there is a hidden owner. It says Quick Intel, GoPlus, and Happy say they can also whitelist. There's anti-whale mechanisms warnings. There's trading cooldown warnings and other risks warnings on Quick Intel's audit. So there's all sorts of warnings here in their quick audits. So review that. That is a lot of warnings, just so you know here. And yeah, definitely be aware of all that. Thoroughly review this token before even thinking about investing. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.